So we had CeBIT 2009 and Print Dreams Ltd. And you just took a picture of me with your camera phone.
Right.
There, you took a picture of me with a camera phone.
Exactly.
And, the picture is being transferred to an SD card over here. This is like an SD card, just using copy and paste using Windows.
Right.
So what is it that you're going to do?
Right now I'm going to upload it. So using this software right here.
Yeah.
So you can see how I add the image. I select this here, add image, and then I select the image that I just took from here. And it automatically adjusts the image. There you see. So it's ready to go now. I just push this button, program disk, and all the stuff that is in here is being automatically burned into this thing. Okay?
Right.
So from here, once it's ready, we're going to transfer it to this device over here.
Right.
So, okay?
So this is your device.
This is a device. And
which is a portable printer.
right. It is a portable printer. So we can take it from here. You can see the sensor which is acting, and this is the print head. It will print directly on any substrate. All right?
On any piece of paper or
any cardboard, any fabrics, anything basically.
anything?
So now it's ready. So we take it from here. There you go. In here, we remove this one.
Yeah.
And then the photo that I just took is right there. Okay?
Yeah.
I can remove this thing so you can see it. And then we will print the photo right here. And we will print it now many times. So it's the same photo many times. You're standing right here.
Nice.
That's your photo. That's some of the text that we have printed here. I can show you how it works. For example, this one.
So you just push the green button?
Yeah.
And what is the speed that you should move?
I can move it in any speed. It doesn't matter how fast. I can probably move it either very slow or fast, and it would print the same thing.
Same quality?
Yeah, the same quality. And
There's not a limit of how fast and all that?
No.
No?
Well, it might be probably something like 400 millimeters per second, which is pretty fast.
Ah, it's 40 centimeters per second.
400 millimeters per second. It's about 40 centimeters per second.
Yeah.
That's correct. So for example, this one.
So how much can you print with one cartridge, or what do you use in there?
It will print very, very much. It will print 5,000 imprints approximately this size, no problem at all. So it
5,000.
Go and go, yeah.
And what do you do to fill it up? You have to buy a special thing from you or from your company, or?
Yeah, sure. We have these things over here. So it comes in red, green, it comes in black. So you have different colors to choose from.
And it only prints one color at a time?
Yeah, one color
at a time?
Yeah. Next generation will print full color.
Yeah?
This is the first generation.
First generation.
So we're pushing out with monochrome.
So this is your invention?
Yeah, it is my invention.
Your invention?
My invention, yes.
So what do you call this?
We call this the Xyron Design Runner.
Sorry?
Xyron Design Runner.
Yeah?
Okay.
Xyron Design Runner?
Yeah. So
maybe it's here.
Right here.
Right. So how much does it cost, and where is it available? When is it available?
You can buy it online at www.printdreams.com, or you can purchase also through Xyron.com or hsn.com. So it's many sellers online. Also, you can find it mainly in the U.S. in a place called Michaels. It's a big retailer chain. So it is now the piece of software that makes it possible to upload from computer is only distributed by us, by Print Dreams. Okay.
And you absolutely need the software right now to do that?
Yes.
There's no plan to make this work directly connecting to a SD card, whatever SD card from a camera?
Oh yes, it is. Next generation will be.
Next generation will be autonomous?
Yeah.
So you don't need to have a computer at all?
It will have a built-in camera, so you can take the pictures directly.
Built-in camera?
Yeah.
So you take a picture and you print it?
Yeah.
This is a competitor to the Zink camera where they want to print...
But Zink prints only 2x3 and prints only 300 dpi. We will print it 1200 dpi. We will print 4x6, which is 4 times larger, and we will print much faster. They have they require about 40 seconds to print 2x3. We can print the same amount of surface, like at least 20 times faster. 20 times. This is much faster than Zink.
20 times faster. What is compared to Zink? What is your disadvantage?
The disadvantage is going to be a little bit, just slightly bigger than their printer.
Slightly bigger.
So slightly bigger, just a little bit. But otherwise, the pricing is going to be much better. We're going to sell it at 129 US, and they are selling already for 300, something like that.
129 US.
US, yeah.
When is available? When are you going to release?
Hopefully by the end of this year.
The end of this year.
Yes, at the end of this year we would have. We have already prototypes. I can show you with.
You're already showing prototypes to people, or
a little bit? Yes.
A little bit.
A little bit. Yeah. We just a slight.
So if it's possible, maybe at the end of this video we will see something. Maybe.
Yes.
If you have something to show.
Yes.
But so it's going to be color also, that one, the camera?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
It's going to be color, the display is color, everything is going to be color, full color.
People just take whatever they want, take a piece of paper, and they print out color pictures.
Yeah, not only a piece of paper, we're talking about fabrics, cardboard, we're talking about walls, we're talking about everything. Any substrate. With Zink, you need a special paper, their special paper.
You need to buy their paper.
Yeah.
Here you only need to buy your ink.
That's the only thing.
Yeah? Your ink.
Yeah. Okay. So it's with ink, but no limitation in terms of format, any format.
How about the price of this model right now? How much is this?
It's 149 euro.
149 euro?
Yeah, and that's because it's separate units. You need this thing,
you also need that?
and you need this thing. So that's why it's a little bit more complicated right now.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem.
So there you also have another prototype that you show. What is special about this one?
Yeah, this one can print much larger pictures than this one.
Larger than this one?
Yes, they can print about an A4.
A4?
Yes.
So it has some this is a prototype for now?
It's a prototype.
Can you show the optics or?
A little bit, yes.
This one has more optics than that system.
Yes, it's more advanced optics.
More advanced. Yeah. And you have a video where you show that.
Right.
You show that.
Exactly how it's printed.
All right. So it can do a bigger picture.
Yeah, sure.
And the photo camera. Did you want to show something about that, or?
Yes. Well, we do have the approximate size. As I told you, it's about this size, which is going to be this thickness. And so on. That is the size it's going to be with a built-in camera, and you will print this way, like that.
So you just do that, and then it has printed the whole thing?
Yeah, exactly.
So 12 times for 4x6?
4x6
inch.
Yes, that's right.
And end of the year?
Hopefully. We're working very hard to get that done by the end of the year.
Thanks.
Yes, you're welcome.
So also one thing, your company, Print Dreams, you did something here at CeBIT?
Yes.
What is that?
That is the largest image, the largest printout in the world.
The largest printout in the world?
Yeah.
Here we can see the cars going.
Right.
It's by the Hanover, what's it called, highway or something?
Yeah, by the highway. It's in a very big parking lot.
So you actually printed on the floor of a parking lot on a piece of something?
Well, we basically prepare the picture to be laid out there, okay? And this is, if it's been using this normal wide format printing, it will cost a lot of money. At least we calculate at least 200,000 euro to manufacture a picture this big. Okay, it's got 15.5 trillion pixels.
15.5 trillion pixels.
Pixels. So we, in terms of digital, so it's if it would be a camera, it would be 15.5 petapixels. Not megapixels, not terapixels, petapixels. So it's huge. It's just huge.
So you printed this out using this machine, or?
Not really. But we use our knowledge, our know-how, and of course part of this system, the way we print here, has been used in this thing.
So conventional printer, you say 200,000. How much did you pay for the secret?
For this, it's a secret, but it's a fraction of the cost.
Fraction of the cost.
It's a fraction of the cost. Probably just a tenth.
So in theory, you don't have a limit of how big the picture is when you print. In theory,
no limit. The sky is a limit. The sky is a limit. So even this it might be just little. We can print even bigger.
And you also told me a thing about the print head can be bigger. Maybe in the future there might be new technologies for that.
Exactly. Then we can apply on the entire length.
The entire length of the device.
So that you can run 1, 2, 3, and that's ready.
1, 2, 3, and it's ready.
Right.
But for now it's 12. But that's because of the size of the print head.
Right. So what we want to do basically is to integrate the print head into the mobile phone. So
into the entire.
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So that you can print with this thing.
Okay.
Because here you have battery, you have display, you have buttons, you have communication interface, you have everything you need. You have processor power. Yeah. So all we add is our engine to this thing.
Okay. Cool. Okay. Thanks.
You're welcome.